Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to generate an AWR report in Oracle database and understand the most important sections of the report. AWR stands for Automatic Workload Repository. It is one of the most important performance tuning tools available in the Oracle database. Whenever users complain that database is slow, Oracle DBA usually start by checking the AWR reports. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to log in with SQL Plus. First, let's verify the AWR is enabled. We need to check the statics underscore level parameter should be typical or all value. If it is basic, AWR data collection will not work properly. We can see that our statistics level is typical, so it will work properly. Basically, it will collect data on basis of this level. Now we again check the existing snapshots. Oracle automatically collects snapshots every hour by default. These snapshots store database performance statics. An AWR report compare two snapshots and show what happened between them. With this command db underscore history underscore snapshot, we will check the snapshot of the. You can see there are these number of snapshots are available. 43 is our snap ID, and its begin interval is this, and interval is this. AWR automatically take snapshot after each hour, 1 hour. Next, we will move to. First of all, we will create a scenario and generate a temporary workload for AWR report so that we can get some data. So we are first going to create one user. Then I'm going to grant permission to this user. Giving table space quota. Now our user is created. Now I'm going to connect with the user and create one table. Now I'm creating one table, employee test. Now I'm going to load data in this table. We are inserting 100,000 rows to generate database activities. So before generating workload, we create a manual snapshot. So now we are going to take manual snapshot for AWR report, which we are going to use later on. This will be our starting point. We can take manual snapshot by DPMS Workload Repository package with create snapshot procedure in it. I think we need to switch to sys user for that. Now our snapshot is created. Now I am going to select some data from that table by using script for generating the load. So I'm going to again connect with the test user. One second. I have one another script for generating the load, so I am going to use that also. In first statement, we are using select count star from employee test, where ID equal to this, and we are using for loop to keep it executed from 1 to 500. In next script, we are going to update the employee test. We are using update statement, and it will execute it 1000 times. Sorry, 10,000 times. Now we are generating select and update workload. This create logical read CPU utilizations and database activity that will be captured by AWR report. After that, we will create another snapshot, which is our after snapshot of the workload. After workload execution, we are creating another snapshot. For that for beginning and end snapshot, we are going to generate a AWR report for that. Now our update operation is completed. Now we are going to generate another snapshot. That is our end snapshot. Sorry, we have to again log in with sys user. Now we are going to generate an AWR report. I am using Windows system, so you can change the path. It is present in RDBMS folder of DB Oracle Home, and in that RDBMS it is goes to admin folder. Then it is AWR report mentioned here. First of all, it will ask for which type of report you want to generate, which format of the report you want to generate. They are giving also option HTML, text, active HTML. So we are going to use HTML. Now it asking for how from last previous days how many snapshots you want to see. I am going to mention there one. Now you can see I have having only two reports, 45 and 46 for today, because I started my database right now. So now I am going to choose begin snap. Begin snap is also lower than end snap. Keep in mind that. So now I have to given the path of the directory where I want to generate the report. I am looking for the path. I am going to create it in the C drive. I mentioned the complete name awr.html because we are going to generate report in HTML format. Now our report is going generated. It's continuing. I am using single instance database. I am going to exit this and I am going to my C folder location, and you can see my AWR report is generated here. I am going to open this. It will open in Internet Explorer. It is my test database. So you can see, first of all, DB name. My DB name is this, my DB instance is this, DB unique name. What is the role? If it is standby or primary, if it is data guard is configured, then it will give you the role. What is the addition of the, and what is the release? Is it RAG database? Yes or no? Or it is CDB database? Yes or no? This kind of information we are getting from AWR report. How many CPU I am using? How many cores are there? How many memory are allocated to my this VM machine? And this is our begin snap and end snap, which we are used to generate our reports. It will also give you the session and current session that are currently contained. It will give you DB time and elapsed time also. I am not having enough data, so my load profile is you can see it is normal 000. Basically, we are going to check the top foreground processes by total wait event. Which wait event is causing the problem? We are going to check that. And after that, on the basis like DB file sequential read, we are going to check the SQL queries which are taking this time. First of all, this load profile give you the little bit overview about the where the problem can be occurred. Higher value indicate heavier workload. This section help us understand how busy the database was. This will give you the instance efficient percentage or buffer hit percentage like this. It is 99%, so it is very good. And give you soft parsing and hard parsing information. Now I am going to see. This is the SG allocations and PG allocation. Now I am going to see the equal carries. You can find here. This is the section where you get the top most SQL queries ordered by elapsed time, ordered by CPU time, ordered by user input output wait time, ordered by get, ordered by read. All the sections are completed here. Ordered by lead time, this section identify the most expensive SQL statement. When user complain about slowness, this is usually the first place DBA investigate. And SQL ordered by CPU time, you can see below. This query consumes the most CPU resources. Tuning this statement can significantly improve database performance. In the similar way, you can see SQL ordered by user input output wait, how the SQL queries are waiting for input output wait. SQL ordered by get, high buffer get indicate excessive logical reads. Such queries may require indexing and query rewriting. So by get means you have to index this query. And this in this way we are work with AWR report and find the root cause of the problem. This is the SQL ID we are going to use. So if I am clicking on one of the SQL ID of this, then it will show you the complete statement in below here. This is the whole AWR and report here. You can also get information about data files and about the, and it will also give you the all modified parameters and anything. And in this way, we can analyze the AWR reports. You can also get the ADDM report at the last section of this report. Now you can see there is no significant database activity to run ADDM reports. So my database is test database, so it has not any specific activity, so it is not run there. Otherwise, it will give you the suggestion this query is consuming time. If you create index or gather stats on this query, this will ADDM report will give you the suggestion on that query. We are going to now discuss about the types of AWR reports. I currently you will see that we are using AWR rpt.sql, which is run on single instance AWR report. It is used for standalone databases. For rack environment, you need to use AWR grpt.sql. It will generate a report across all rack nodes. If you want to generate a report, AWR report for particular specific instance in tracking environment, then you can use AWR rpti.sql statement. In similar way, if you want to compare two reports, then you can use AWR dd.rpt.sql. In similar way, if you want to compare two different snapshots of the reports, then you have to use AWR dd.rpt.sql. I will show you if we have enough snapshot. This is for single instance. I am choosing HTML. I am choosing 3 days, last 5 days. Now if I want to compare 38 and 39 snapshot with 45 and 46, I can choose that. First, I am going to choose 38 and snapshot 39. Now it will ask again for the days. So I am choosing again 5. Now I am choosing 45, my begin snapshot, and 46 is my end snapshot. Now I am going to give the path of AWR diff report. Now it is generating my report which having differentiation between these two snapshots which we used. I don't know it will generate report or not, but it will generate it because my database it is started in between. I have doubt. It is generated, yes. Suppose my database, I am having snapshot of 45. After that, my database is restarted and I have snapshot of 46. Then it, in some cases, that report is not generated in that cases. I'm going to exit this and I am going to the C location and see the report. Sometimes we have to compare the report. You can see now it is first and second. It will give you the all information. This is all the things are same. We did not change anything. This is the way. If suppose if I have any deployment activity on this Sunday and I have want to check the report of Friday and Monday, what is the difference between the Sunday and in on the Monday? Is there any parameter change or anything change in our database level? Then we can easily compare with this report and find the solution for that. In this way, we can look the report and generate difference report. You can see every time first and second they are mentioned, clearly mentioned. In this way, we can generate the report AWR report. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.